What's going on, everyone? Just getting down here to the Sable River. About to start our canoe trip. Got the family with us. Hopefully we can catch us some fish. Smaller than Shelby.
Oh my goodness.
There goes Shelby Shell and Kingfisherman 18, and Shelby's got her first hook of the day. Nice
Smallie off the nedrig.
Nice little smallie off the nedrig.
I want a fishy.
That's a pretty one there.
You want a picture with it, honey?
No.
Good job, Shelby.
Good job, honey. Nice one.
Woo!
Sable River, 2019, on our canoe trip. Nice smallmouth bass. It's my first smallie I landed, actually, out of the year. I've had a few on. The last one I had on was just a baby, and I was playing with it, trying to get some good footage, and jumped off before I got them in. But first smallie, hopefully there's more to come. Catch and release, guys. Oh, check this out. Check this out. Look at this. This is prime footage. There's a fish in his mouth. There's a fish in his mouth. Look at this. You guys, if you can see, there's a tail sticking out the front of his mouth.
Right. I'm coming.
I'm trying to pull it out, but there is a fish in his mouth. Well, we'll let him get his dinner. We're not gonna mess with him. We let him go.
That's Kingfisherman 18 filming his videos. See him over there. Just got him a smallie.
Oh, check this out. Check this out. Look at this. This is prime footage. There's a fish in his mouth. There's a fish in his mouth.
Get out of town. There's a fish in a fish's mouth.
2 for 1.
That's a 2 for 1. We call that 2 for 1 in the holler. They about to crash. That's gonna be more funny. Look at it. Look at them dummies. They're not even watching where they're going. Right. Look at. They're gonna hit the rocks in 1, 2.
Fish on. Kingfisherman 18. Sable River run. Using the nedrig. It's number 2 for me. And Shelby's got 1. Nice, pretty smallmouth. This river is loaded with them, guys. Make sure you guys smash that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. It helps out big time. Thanks for watching. Get this guy in the water, nice and healthy. And let me get us away from this tree so we don't fall. Tearing them up out here. Sable River smallmouth. Nedrig for the win. Going to that side?
Some orange clay.
Just a little one, but they all count, guys. Small fish is better than no fish. Let's get it back in because we got a reverse paddle. Alright guys, so canoeing 101. Don't pass up your landing spot on a river. Because then you gotta really fight to get back up. And then your girlfriend, she just wants to record and laugh at you. Huh? I thought you guys said you wanted to stop.
You want to stop there or the next one?
Don't matter to me.